Hey, this is Ajay from Shoshobuzz, and again we are back with some more interesting news about Hollywood celebs. So without any further delay, let's get started. And the first news is coming out about ASAP Rocky. ASAP Rocky hit with assault and weapons charge over 2021 shooting. Rapper ASAP Rocky was slapped with assault and weapons charge on Monday in connection with a November altercation with a former friend in Los Angeles. The Manhattan native-born Rakim Mayers was slapped with the 2 counts of assault with a semi-automatic firearm with the allegation of personally using firearm, according to prosecutors. So the next news is about Jennifer Lopez and Ben Affleck. They are having their dream wedding celebration on month after trying to knock in Las Vegas. A source told that the couple will celebrate their nuptials this weekend, and it will be wedding party fit for the page of Vogue. Ben Affleck and Jennifer Lopez will have 3-day wedding celebration in Georgia this weekend. It's going to be all about Jennifer Lopez. Ben's want all of the focus to be on her for their big days, an insider exclusively tells us. And the next news is about Michelle Branch and Patrick Carney. Michelle Branch filed for divorce from her husband Patrick Carney one day after accusing the Black Keys members of infidelity, in addition to request that the 42-year-old drummer pay her legal fees. Branch reportedly asked for primary custody of son Riaz and daughter Willie, as well as child support. So the next news is coming out about Kenya Moore and Phaedra Parks. Cynthia Bailey said there was no bad blood between Kenya Moore and Phaedra Parks at Teresa Giudice's wedding. Everybody had a good time. Everyone come in peace, even Phaedra and Kenya, she told while promoting her upcoming appearance on Celebrity Beef. And here we going with our next news, that is about Teresa Giudice and Luis Rulas. Newlyweds Teresa Giudice and Luis Rulas look as happy as ever while honeymooning in Greece. And the next news is about Millie Bobby Brown and Zach Bongoi. The couple shared a kiss while shopping in New York City over the weekend. The pair looked smitten as they stopped under an awning to get out of the NYC heat before sharing a sweet moment. So today's last news is about Carrie Underwood. She may not be going off on tour for another 2 months, but she sure is ready to get back to work. Despite her tour being a while away, she is still keeping busy and just left fans in total anticipation as she gave them a new and exciting career updates. The star is set to take on the stage sooner than October, but are totally different on her usually residency and tour setup. So that's it for today, and if you want to keep yourself updated with the latest news from the heart of Hollywood, make sure to like the video, comment down your views and subscribe to our channel for more. Peace out.